From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up with allergy attacks and congestion, wondering if it's really worth it to breathe the air in your own home? I've got a game changer for you, the BLUEAIR air purifier and sunrise alarm clock, and it's been a total lifesaver. This thing is a powerhouse, removing 99.97% of airborne allergens, including pollen, dust, pet dander, and ultrafine particles, giving me the freshest air possible. It's whisper quiet, thanks to the HEPASilent technology, so I can sleep peacefully without any noise disturbance. I've noticed a huge difference in how I feel in the morning, breathing easy and waking up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The benefits are endless. The easy setup is a huge plus. It's simple and straightforward, so you can get started right away. The air purifier can refresh up to 140 square feet in just 12.5 minutes, which is amazing, and the results are tangible. I can feel the difference in the air. I also love that it's compact and doesn't take up too much space. The design is sleek and modern, and it looks great in my bedroom. In my daily life, I've noticed that I'm not waking up with congestion, and my sinuses aren't acting up as much, which is a huge win. The sunrise alarm clock feature is also a great touch. It wakes me up gently and naturally, so I feel more energized and ready to take on the day. Overall, I'm so impressed with the BLUEAIR air purifier and sunrise alarm clock. It's been a total game changer for my sleep and overall health, and I highly recommend it to anyone struggling with allergies or poor air quality. Give it a try, you won't regret it. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.